Thank you.
You're welcome.
How is it?
It is acceptable.
Going for exquisite, but I guess acceptable words.
It turned to exquisite as soon as I got some sausage.
So what's after this swim?
Yep, you probably ought to take advantage of that. Did you put a full guard? Oh, weird. Looks like a garlic clove. Apparently in Alberta there was a garlic heist.
Heist?
Yep, someone stole a huge, big production run of seed garlic.
Like recently?
It was in the news this morning.
I wonder why.
Yeah, it's not something you'd think would be a high value.
It's like dirt cheap in the grocery stores.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I don't know, maybe there's something we don't know about garlic. I do know it makes food delicious, and it's obviously healthy. But yeah, I don't know if there's like some other reason they're using it.
Incoming epidemic of vampires.
Now that would be interesting.
Or is it werewolves?
I think vampires.
I had a dream where we were parked at a mall. I think we were making a meal outside, and security came by to kick us out.
Foreshadowing?
Push our luck and see what we can get into. Those are those guys that had that perfect spot.
Oh yeah?
You gonna be able to finish all yours?
Come on, Belly. Make room.
Sneezing amuses you?
Yeah. When your mouth is full of food and you sneeze, it's amusing. It's interesting that my whole life I've been a slow eater. Like, you heard the thing where lots of times everyone would be finished supper and they had all gone and left and I still had a plate full of food and they eventually just turned the lights off on me with my dessert sitting right in front of me.
You're taking too long. Click.
Yeah, and everyone else is having fun doing other things. Finish your meal.
So we were gonna head to Port Hardy today, and just as we were getting ready to leave, the perfect camp spot opened up. This site is beautiful, beach access like literally 10 steps away. It's gorgeous today. We're in the trees, we'll be shaded all day long. It's like sweltering hot out there, but in the trees here it's literally like 10 degrees cooler. So yeah, we're going to settle back in for another day. And this is all free. I have a fire pit, although right now there's a fire ban on. Decent little picnic table. And then right here is this lake. There's a little peninsula over there with a beach. That's the trail. You can see the van. And then look this way, literally path to a sandy pebble beach. We were actually thinking of only staying here for a day, but I don't know. I think this is phenomenal. Do we have enough food?
Yep.
Okay, I think we have enough food.
Grilled cheese for lunch and chili and veggies for supper.
Oh, okay, so we do have enough food. So yeah, this is the spot. We're gonna set the rooftop tent up again. With this breeze, it'll be way cooler in the tent than it will be in the van. Plus bugs haven't been too bad, but there's been a little bit of them. So again, being in the tent with the screens totally encloses us. Plus we'll be able to look out over the lake all night long.